Traditional welding is difficult and delivers inconsistent weld quality. It works with a limited set of materials. Filler wire is often required. There is a smarter way to work with metal. Meet the DN Laser Robot air-cooled handheld laser welder. Hard to learn? Not anymore. Built-in parameter library stores over 100 optimized welding presets. It covers welding thickness from 0.2 mm to 4 mm, compatible with almetal materials. Welding can be performed with or without filler wire. Wait, that is not all. Fully air-cooled. It withstands ambient temperatures ranging from 20 Celsius up to 40 Celsius. It delivers 4-in-1 multifunction: welding, cutting, rust removal, and weld seam cleaning. What about safety? Dual-layer protection. Torch alarm plus system software alarm. Frequent lyse parameters can be saved directly on the welding torch. You can switch preset parameters via the torch without adjustments on the main machine or wire feeder. Tired from long-hor welding? This air-cooled welding torch weighs only 0.4 kilogram, half the weight of traditional water-cooled torches. It greatly relieves hand fatigue during extended welding work. Easy to move. Only 45 kilograms. Easy to transport. Only 45 x 35 x 40 cm. Compact footprint. Fewer tools, less waste, expand what you can create.